Hello, this is a video showcasing our third semester project from university. During this project, we were working with a company to develop a prototype of something that might be useful for them. In this case, we were working with Topmark, and they were in need of a calendar system and a place uh, to manage their vacations and stuff like this. So, for example, an employee could request a vacation and an admin could go and approve that vacation. Similarly, you can create meetings with other employees or schedule things in this calendar. Um, yeah, this is our front page. In this page, we can register ourselves, put in some names, password. We get into the page. Here we can create a meeting simply by clicking. You can also click and drag. There's a note, availability by phone, are you working from home? And repeating here means we are adding it at this exact time every week. And it can also be shared down here with other employees. As we get more employees in the system, you can tag them so they also get this meeting. And here you can manage which of the calendars you're looking at. Are you looking at things that are only for you or things that are shared between all employees, for example? And you can also create a new event out here instead of clicking on the calendar. This is the vacation page. So right now we are scrolled a bit down like this. So it looks like this, and you can basically apply for your vacation through this page. These are the dates of December, and you can decide how long it's gonna last. As you can see here, it's gonna be applied with a question mark for now because one of the admins or the owner or something like that has to go and approve this vacation, so you know that it's a done deal. Similarly, you can re-edit your already made event uh, or delete it if you wanted to. Here we're creating different event with the repeating. How many times should it repeat? And every week instead of like every day for or month, for example. And then similarly, we have these roles. This is something you can only access as an admin, which is the standard role at the beginning. But you can basically make roles and then add privileges to a specific role so that you can assign different members different roles within the systems. For example, it's not everybody who should be allowed to accept the vacations. Um, and here we can see the employees, and here are the permissions that this employee has. Admin adds everything, but you could easily imagine having a different role where only three of these are applied and it's not an admin. Um, we can also change the colors for how we're represented in the system so we can keep track of each other. Uh, it's not a huge system, so it would be very manageable with different colors. And of course, we can log out again of the system. And that was the general idea of it. Of course, this was simply a prototype. It would need a bit more work to have been actually applicable for the company and that, but it was a very nice project. I think it's the first time we actually made GUI that looks good. Generally speaking, it has a modern looking design.